and welcome back to my channel. My name is Cristina for those of you that are new, and for those of you who stop by all the time, hi again, and thanks so much for supporting your girl. For the most sincere beauty advice, make sure that you do subscribe to my channel and make sure that you ding that bell so that you're notified every time I post a video every Tuesday. In today's video, I'm gonna kind of explain to you why you shouldn't be a brush snob. See, here's the thing. Now, I will just put this right out here. Disclaimer, I love makeup brushes. When I tell you that I love makeup brushes, I love makeup brushes. I don't know what it is. I don't think there's one thing that I can pinpoint and say, this is why I love makeup brushes. But if I had to, if you're twisting my arm and you're saying, you gotta give me one reason, I think that it would be because of the flawless finish that you get when you use quality makeup. When you buy new brushes, you're supposed to wash them. In case you didn't know that, let that sink in. You're supposed to wash new makeup brushes before you put them in your makeup and before you put them on your face. Okay? Reason for that is that brushes are made in a factory. They could be made by hand, they could be made by machine, they could be however it is that they're made. They are going through a process which chances are does not include complete sterile environment, like operating room sterile environment. So once these brushes are made and they're packed and they're sent to the stores or sent to, the distributor, and it gets to your home, they're not clean. They're just new. That's all. No one else has used them, but they haven't been disinfected and sanitized to be put into your makeup and then onto your face, okay? So fair warning. So I feel like it was last year that this particular company that I'm going to talk to you about today, called Anisa International, she sent me a gift, and it's a gift that I love so much that it's almost like an award, or I don't know, a trophy, a certificate or something, where you just kind of want to put it in a glass box and not touch it. You don't want anything to happen to it, any harm to come to it. And that's how I feel about this gift that Anisa sent to me. She sent me a gift with my name that she wrote herself. And Cristina, thank you for your support and encouragement. I follow her on all social media because love her and her products that much. Wishing you much success in this industry that we both love so much. All the best, Anisa. So that is from Anisa, and that is probably one of the sweetest things that I have ever received, with someone so busy, with such a big company, such a large business to run, takes the time to write out a note and send it to me. I mean, I know I'm me, but she's her. So you get my confusion. And the reason why you might find this video interesting is this. So this is just an example of Anisa and Anisa International and their work. Okay, so this is a gorgeous purple, holler at your purple, protective. So the set that she sent me is actually called Best of the Best, or Our Best of the Best case, okay? You ready for this? You're not ready for this. Okay, so this beauty holds hi, pretty girls. Look at that, okay? Hold on. It's going over to the other side. It's hard to hold, but oop, I dropped that. See that? And it has a brush cleaner Little holder there. It's got the little cleaner there. This is the Deep Clean Brush Cleaner and Clean Preserve Brush Cleaner. So not for nothing, but she is not playing around when it comes to her brushes. I'm gonna set those extras aside, which were an awesome surprise. But now, are you ready for this? You have to pay attention. All right, so you're looking for makeup brushes, right? And you say, I don't know, I wanna get some really, really nice makeup brushes, okay? So if you take note in this beautiful brush, my goodness, I think this is the first time I took her out of the little plastic here, okay? See how gorgeous that is? You see the translucent stem there, the dark on the, I mean, this is a sexy brush, right? Can you see what that says there? You see that? Be the dreamiest brushes. Yep, help you out there. Not wrong. A Smashbox. I hope it is. That being said, I will tell you that each of these brushes is a quality brush. And I have actually had her products, her brushes. I bought my very first large set of professional brushes at the makeup show, and I still have those brushes. That speaks to the quality of these brushes. Now, yes, I take care of my brushes. I wash my brushes, I dry them, I make sure that you know, the barrel doesn't get wet, as little as possible to get wet. I make sure that, you know, they dry flat, and if it's even at a little bit of an angle, like I take very good care of my brushes because I love brushes. But the magic that comes from using these brushes, now that is attention grabbing. So that's it for today's video. I hope you got some good information from this, and you know, if there was any kind of, I don't know, ill feelings towards yourself because you couldn't buy this brand or that brand or whatever it is, I thought that I would just level the playing field. I'm gonna post a link to A Design's, and I believe it's A Design, I don't know if she's changed the name, her Amazon store, because the brushes are an awesome price point, and you could pretty much just shop for all your needs right there. And or if you have a makeup artist or a makeup enthusiast who is looking for some new brushes, that might be the way to go. So I'll post that in the description box below. So that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you were able to take away some good information. If you have any questions, leave them in the description box below. If this kind of resonated with you, where you understand what I mean when it comes to purchasing quality, but not necessarily just going by the name brand, give me a heck yeah down in the comments, because that's what I'm talking about. I don't really care what name is on what I use, but it needs to be good. So until next week, thanks again for stopping by. Make sure that you hit subscribe and you ding the bell before you watch my next video, okay? Take it easy.